Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Gardening in containers is one of today's most popular gardening trends, and I'm glad, because containers allow everyone to have a garden. Even if you live in an apartment and your balcony has barely enough room for you to turn around in, you can grow amazing things. Yet containers are a confined space, so you have to pay more attention to watering and feeding your plants. One misconception, however, is that because space is more confined in a container, you need to fertilize more often. Not true. Potted plants, and this includes hanging baskets too, need less fertilizer when there's compost in the soil mix. Put some compost into your potting soil. That reduces the pressure to fertilize. Because most commercial potting mixes are made of peat moss and perlite with no natural soil, container plants need regular fertilizing to stay healthy and attractive. Many mixes contain a small amount of fertilizer that gets plants by for a few months. After that, it's up to you to supply the nourishment. Adding some compost to the mix before you pot up your plants gives them a little something to snack on when your memory or schedule keeps you from your appointed feeding rounds. I suggest adding 1 part compost to 3 parts potting soil. If you have access to some seaweed or kelp meal, I'd add some of that too. You can buy commercially bagged compost or use your own, and you don't need to sterilize it before you use it. Fresh compost contains disease-fighting microbes that are actually good for your plants. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.